Finding the right toilet seat for a senior or a heavier person is a safety decision, not just a comfort one. The wrong choice can wobble, crack, or fail when it matters most. Here are 5 of the best options available right now. 1. Bemis Assurance 3 inches. The Bemis Assurance is the most trusted raised toilet seat in this category, and for good reason. It adds 3 inches of height, which reduces how far a person needs to lower themselves down and push back up. For seniors with weak knees, hip replacements, or limited leg strength, that reduction in range of motion makes a significant daily difference. What separates this seat from most competitors is the Snap-to Secure fastening system. It bolts permanently to the toilet bowl, which means 0 shifting, 0 rocking, and 0 risk of the seat sliding under body weight. And on most raised seats, simply clamp to the rim. The Bemis locks in place like a fixture. The integrated handles are positioned at the sides where you actually need them, close to the body, easy to grip, and capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds. Occupational therapists regularly recommend this model for home safety assessments. It also includes a clean shield guard, a front barrier that directs waste into the bowl rather than the seat, which significantly reduces cleanup for caregivers and users alike. This seat is made in the USA and built from high-density plastic that resists staining and holds its shape over years of daily use. The Bemis Assurance is the right choice for most households with a senior family member or anyone recovering from hip or knee surgery. 2. Medline Locking Elevated. Medline is the largest privately held medical supply manufacturer in the United States, and this elevated toilet seat reflects that pedigree. It adds 5 inches of height, the tallest option in this list, which makes it especially useful immediately after hip replacement or knee surgery, when bending deeply is not just painful, but medically restricted. Many orthopedic surgeons recommend a minimum seat height during early recovery, and this model meets that requirement. The front clamping lock mechanism secures the seat firmly to the toilet bowl rim without any tools. Installation takes under 2 minutes. The fixed arms on both sides provide a stable push-off point when standing, rated to 350 pounds. The seat itself is contoured and smooth, with no sharp edges, and the arms are set at a height that positions the elbows naturally when pushing to stand. That ergonomic positioning reduces strain on the shoulders and wrists, something cheaper seats with poorly placed arms often get wrong. Because it requires no assembly and ships ready to use, it is also a practical choice for families setting up a bathroom quickly for a parent being discharged from hospital. 3. Drive Medical 2-in-1. Drive Medical has supplied rehabilitation equipment to hospitals and home care providers since 2000, and this model is one of their most consistently well-reviewed products. It adds 5 inches of height and is rated to 300 pounds. The worm screw locking mechanism tightens securely against the underside of the toilet bowl rim, keeping the seat stable during use without requiring tools. What makes this the best value pick is the removable padded arms. On most raised seats, the arms are either fixed or entirely absent. Here, they unclip quickly, which matters for users who transfer from a wheelchair or for households where the toilet is shared between users who don't all need the arm support. That flexibility extends the useful life of the product considerably. The padded foam on the arms is firm enough to push against without compressing, which is the right balance for a support surface. Soft padding feels comfortable but provides poor leverage. This seat gets that balance right. Fitting is straightforward and compatible with most standard and elongated toilet bowls without adapters. For a household on a moderate budget that needs a reliable, practical raised seat with arm support, the Drive Medical 2-in-1 delivers everything that matters. 4. Platinum Health Ultimate. For heavier users or anyone needing a higher weight capacity, the Platinum Health Ultimate is in a category of its own. It is rated to 600 pounds, significantly above the 300 to 350 pound limit found on most standard raised seats. That extra capacity is not just a number. It reflects a fundamentally different structural approach. The frame is medical-grade aluminum, and the legs rest on the floor surrounding the toilet rather than clamping solely to the bowl rim. That floor-supported design distributes weight more evenly and provides a level of stability that bowl-clamped seats cannot match at higher weight loads. The sitting surface is fully padded with soft polyurethane foam, which makes a meaningful difference for users who spend extended time seated due to mobility limitations. Hard plastic seats cause discomfort and pressure sores over time. The padded surface reduces that risk considerably. The frame is adjustable in both height and width, which accommodates a wider range of body types than fixed dimension seats. This model also functions as a bedside commode and a shower chair, making it a practical long-term investment for families managing ongoing mobility care. It is FSA and HSA eligible, meaning qualifying buyers can purchase it with pre-tax health savings funds. 5. Vive Hinged Raised. The Vive Hinged Riser is the most practical entry-level option in this list, and it solves a problem that most budget-raised seats ignore entirely: cleaning. Standard risers sit fixed between the toilet seat and bowl, or it's making it difficult or impossible to clean underneath without removing the entire unit. The Vive uses a hinge mechanism that allows the riser to fold upward at 90 degrees, giving full access to the bowl rim and underside for thorough cleaning. For households where hygiene is a daily priority, this is not a minor feature. It adds 3.5 inches of height, fits between the existing toilet seat and bowl without replacing either, and mounts securely without tools. The design is slim and low profile compared to full raised seat units, which gives it a more standard bathroom appearance. An important consideration for seniors who prefer their home not to look clinical. It is rated to 350 pounds and is compatible with most standard and elongated toilets. Vive Health backs this product with a lifetime guarantee, which is uncommon at this price point and reflects confidence in the product's durability. For a senior who needs modest height assistance without a full raised seat setup, or for a family managing a tight budget, the Vive Hinged Riser is the most sensible starting point.